Hi Water Signs, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Welcome po sa ating channel at ito ang yung Daily Gabay Tarot Reading for October 19, 2023. Please be reminded that this is channel reading po, so maaari kayo makarelate o hindi. Just take what resonates. Gamitin ang reading na ito bilang gabay lamang. Balik po kayo dito bukas para sa ating Daily Gabay Tarot Reading. Please like, subscribe, and click bell button for notification para po updated kayo sa Daily Tarot Reading natin. Para po sa gusto magpa-reading, maaari nyo pong makuha ang link. Nasa description box po ito. Message nyo lang po ako sa Messenger. Maraming salamat po. Spirit guides, ano po ang ganap today para po kay Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio sa araw na ito, October 19, 2023. May ganap na away sa araw na ito. Nagkaroon ng conflict sa inyong schedule, sa inyong inaantay. This is also the delay, pero mag-ingat talaga kasi may oppose sa inyo or hindi ayon sa inyong desisyon or nagkaroon ng deception. Nagkaroon talaga ng hindi pagkakaunawaan dito or as isang away. And nagkaroon dito ng emotion dahil sa ganap na conflict or away. Nagkaroon ng emotions, nagkaroon ng malakas ang inyong intuition ngayon. It might be may malalaman kang sekreto sa araw na ito. And you are receiving reward. You are receiving a compliment from other people. Nagkaroon ng pleasure dito, flattery. Opo. Message nyo po. Spirit guys, message nyo po sa araw na ito para po kay Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio, October 19. Spirit guys, message nyo po para kay Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio ngayong araw na ito, October 19, 2023. Wow, claim nyo na ito. Magkaroon kayo ng infinite abundance parating na ito or nagkaroon na kayo nito sa araw na ito. Abundance is pouring into your life, so claim nyo na. May nagsabi sa akin na reward ito. Reward ito sa mga magagandang gawain nyo, good deed, nagkaroon ng good karma. Desert passage. Trust there's a divine plan. So, you are divinely guided sa mga nangyari ngayon na nagkaroon ng away. So, trust. Trust there's a divine plan. Energy niyo po, Spirit guys, energy po ni Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio sa araw na ito, October 19, 2023. Clarification po sa Five of Cups. Clarification po sa Five of Cups. Malungkot kayo ngayon dahil sa pagkawala ng isang bagay o tao or may naalala ka na nag-cause ng trauma sa iyo. This is only temporary. Lilipas din ito. I-acknowledge mo lang yung pakiramdam na sadness or disappointment para ma-express mo ito at ma-release. Go ahead and cry it out. Iyak mo lang iyan. The grieving process takes time, but it will not last forever. The grieving process takes time, but it will not last forever. There is always way out. Crying is a very healthy thing to do. It relieves stress, ease pain, and cleanses your soul. This card tells you na feel grief. So, damdamin. Oo. I-feel mo yung sadness and disappointment mo ngayon, and after that, release mo na. And this is a good news also kasi you are decided to heal yourself after this breakup, after this grief, after this sadness. You are decided to heal yourself. Some of you, hinayaan mo yung sitwasyon na matapos. Remind yourself na let go and move forward. Ang pagkapit sa nakaraan ay pumipigil sa paglitaw ng isang bagong simula. This card tells you na subukang huwag ipagpaliban ang kasaganaan na naghihintay sa iyo. So this is a good step na after this conflict na nag-confirm na nagkaroon ka ng disappointment or sadness and you are decided to let go of this emotion para makamove on na. Opo. So, connect to yourself para madahan-dahan mo itong ma-release yung negative emotion. So this is emotion and this is also an emotion. And after this emotion, after this struggle, nagkaroon kayo ng good karma. Naka-receive kayo ng reward. Ito yung inaantay mo. Magkakaroon talaga ng infinite abundance after this emotion. So, tiwala lang. Let's see your career and money para po kay Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio sa araw na ito, October 19, 2023, Spirit Guides. Clarification po sa reverse card na The Hermit. Clarification po. Dala-dala mo yung sadness mo sa inyong trabaho. It might be sa trabaho mo ito or sa kaperahan, loss of money. Opo. Dala-dala mo yung emotion mo, yung sadness nyo, you're in darkness, hindi ka na madaling magtiwala sa isang tao dahil sa pangyayaring ito. The advice is it's time to reach out for support from everyone, from your workplace, from your coworker. Opo. It's time to reach out for support and connection. Use your intuition also to connect to yourself, to guide you towards the meaning that resonates. So, as a divine assistance, para mag-guide ka sa isang right path, and ask for help para ma-release mo itong emotion na ito na sadness and disappointment. And after this emotion, you are decided to heal yourself. And after healing yourself, you are inspired in doing an action, nagkaroon ng, wow. Kasi you ask an divine assistance kasi. You are divinely guided. Kaya you are back on a track. You are inspired in doing an action, nagkaroon ng momentum, nagkaroon ng direction kasi nag-ask ka ng help sa inyong workplace, sa divine, sa universe, opo, na nagkaroon ka ng focus dito. At the end of the day, nagkaroon ka ng focus and determination. Nagkaroon ng concentration sa inyong trabaho, sa inyong passion, sa inyong negosyo, ganon. To achieve a success in career and money, kailangan mong mag-focus, comes with determination and clear intention. Now it's the time to create a concrete business plan. Some of you sa mga nagtrabaho dito, umuwi na successful. So, claim nyo na po. This is also means traveling. Let's see your love and romance. Love and romance, self-love, partnership, and romance para po kay Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio sa araw na ito, October 19, 2023, Spirit Guides. Wow. Clarification po ng Ace of Cups. Lumipad. This is good news sa mga single. Why? Because new love is coming. This card tells you na the divine is offering you a new love. Yes, may parating na bagong pag-ibig which can arrive in many forms, such as self-love, new relationship, or a new connection. Opo, or a new connection sa isang tao na maghahatid ng love, peace, and happiness sa inyong buhay. This card asks you to be open sa pag-receive ng gift na ito dahil ito ay nakatadhana sa iyo. So, dapat open arms mong tanggapin. So, claim nyo na po itong magandang balita. Sa mga may relasyon, magkakaroon kayo ng renewal of love. Very supportive kayo sa isa't isa at mahal na mahal nyo ang isa't isa. Masaya kayo ngayon at dahil masaya kayo, nagkaroon ng positive emotions flow. Ito yung importante, magkaroon ng positive emotions flow sa inyong relasyon. Pwede din may buntis or the arrival of a new baby. Listen to your intuition. Listen to your intuition. Kung mayroon kang emotional intelligence, this will lead you to the answers you need about your romantic urges. So, mga single dyan at mga may relasyon, the advice is trust your feelings instead of overthinking or overanalyzing. Hidden truth. Ano ang iniisip mo? Ano ang iniisip niya? Para po kay Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio, Spirit Guide, sa araw na ito, October 19, 2023, para po sa mga single, you speak to me through music. Sa mga single din, I wonder if you are happy without me. Sa mga may relasyon, we will be together again. I look for you everywhere. Spirit guides, love advice niyo po para sa mga single. You are worthy. You are loved. So remember this. During your sadness, ang sabi na ni universe, you are worthy, you are loved. Bakit nasa-sense ko dito ang yung iba sa inyo na umiiyak ngayon? So, please be reminded that you are worthy and you are loved. Pause and rest. You deserved it. Kailangan ng pahinga. Kasi nag-overthink ka dito, sobrang pagod ka na sa pag-iisip. Tamang pahinga, tamang tulog. Para po sa mga may relasyon, nagkaroon ng intense dito. The intensity of a true soul connection includes great highs and great lows. And past lives, we reunite with our love once over and over again through many different lives. Love, Spirit guys, kabuang advice niyo po para po kay Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio ngayong October 19, 2023. You're very close to achieving your goal. Wow. Prosperity lies ahead. Ganda, may parating na malaking pera sa inyo. Infinite abundance and prosperity lies ahead. Claim nyo na po. Message na po, angels, archangels, guardian angels, archangels, spirit guides, para po kay Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Message from Archangel Samuel, your life purpose is triggering a blessed career change. Wow! Your life purpose is triggering a blessed career change. So, maganda yung career nyo. Magkaroon ng new cycle, ganap na changes sa inyong career. And message from Archangel Zadkiel, keep an open mind and learn new ideas. Then teach these ideas to others. That is your reading today. Water signs, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Please like, subscribe, and click bell button for notification para po updated kayo sa daily tarot reading natin. Maraming salamat po.